The hum of drones has become one of the most feared sounds on the modern battlefield, and nowhere is that reality more evident than along the embattled front lines near Pokrovsk in Ukraine's Donetsk region. According to reports emerging from the area, Ukrainian FPV first-person view drone units launched a devastating series of strikes that allegedly resulted in the deaths of up to 40 Russian soldiers during intense combat operations. The claims, circulated through military channels and battlefield footage, have drawn widespread attention as both sides continue to fight for control of one of the most strategically important sectors in eastern Ukraine. As the war enters another brutal phase, the incident highlights the growing dominance of drone warfare and the relentless struggle unfolding across the Donbass. The Pokrovsk direction has become one of the focal points of the conflict in recent months. Russian forces have repeatedly attempted to push forward in hopes of gaining ground and threatening key Ukrainian defensive positions. At the same time, Ukrainian troops have worked tirelessly to halt these advances through a combination of artillery, reconnaissance assets, and increasingly sophisticated drone operations. Military analysts describe the area as a battlefield where every tree line, trench system, and ruined building can become the scene of fierce clashes. Against this backdrop, reports of a large-scale FPV drone strike have captured the attention of observers monitoring developments along the front. According to Ukrainian military sources, reconnaissance drones first detected a concentration of Russian troops moving through a contested sector near Pokrovsk. Operators reportedly observed soldiers gathering in and around temporary shelters, trenches, and staging areas. Such concentrations are often considered high-value targets because they can be used as launching points for assaults against Ukrainian positions. Once the movement was identified and confirmed, Ukrainian drone teams allegedly began coordinating a sequence of precision attacks designed to exploit the vulnerability of the exposed troops. The weapon of choice was the FPV drone, a relatively inexpensive yet highly effective system that has transformed battlefield tactics throughout the war. Unlike conventional military aircraft, FPV drones are controlled in real time by operators who receive a live video feed directly from the drone's onboard camera. This allows pilots to guide the aircraft with remarkable precision, steering it through obstacles and directly toward a target. Armed with explosive payloads, these drones have become capable of destroying vehicles, fortified positions, and groups of personnel at a fraction of the cost of traditional weapon systems. Witness footage released through military-affiliated channels appears to show a rapid succession of drone strikes impacting Russian positions. In several clips, drones can be seen racing low across the terrain before disappearing into trenches or shelters, moments before powerful explosions erupt. Clouds of smoke rise into the air as debris is scattered across the battlefield. While independent verification of casualty figures remains difficult, Ukrainian sources claim the attacks inflicted severe losses on Russian troops and disrupted planned offensive operations in the sector. The footage, viewed by thousands online, has fueled renewed discussion about the effectiveness of drone-centric warfare. The reported strike did not occur in isolation. Military experts note that successful FPV operations often depend on a complex network of supporting assets. Reconnaissance drones identify targets, communication teams relay coordinates, electronic warfare specialists attempt to suppress enemy defenses, and FPV operators execute the final attack. This integrated approach allows relatively small units to achieve outsized effects against larger formations. In the Pokrovsk incident, Ukrainian forces reportedly demonstrated a high degree of coordination, enabling multiple drones to strike within a short period and maximizing the impact on the targeted positions. For Russian troops operating near the front, the threat posed by FPV drones has become increasingly difficult to ignore. Soldiers frequently describe the psychological strain of knowing that small, fast-moving aircraft may be watching from above at any moment. Unlike traditional artillery shells, which often arrive without warning, FPV drones can pursue moving targets and adjust their course in real time. The distinctive buzzing sound generated by their motors has become synonymous with danger, creating a persistent atmosphere of tension among troops deployed in contested areas. Military analysts argue that the rise of FPV drones represents one of the most significant tactical developments of the war. Early in the conflict, drones were primarily used for reconnaissance and artillery spotting. Over time, however, both Ukrainian and Russian forces adapted commercial technology into deadly battlefield weapons. Workshops located far from the front began producing thousands of modified drones, many equipped with cameras, guidance systems, and explosive charges. What started as an improvised solution evolved into a central component of military strategy, fundamentally changing how battles are fought. The alleged destruction of dozens of soldiers near Pokrovsk also underscores the importance of intelligence gathering. Modern combat increasingly depends on the ability to detect enemy movements before they can be translated into offensive action. Satellite imagery, drone reconnaissance, intercepted communications, and frontline observation all contribute to a broader intelligence picture. In this case, Ukrainian operators reportedly capitalized on timely information to identify a vulnerable target. By striking before Russian troops could disperse or advance, they may have prevented a larger assault from materializing.